Question number 101. Routing is essential in the following type of industry. Option A, assembly industry. Option B, process industry. Option C is a job order industry. Option D is a mass production industry. Option E is a steel industry. Correct answer is A. Routing is essential in the following. It means the assembly industry. Question number 102. An optimum project schedule implies option A, optimum utilization of mean machines and materials. Option B, lowest possible cost and shortest possible time for project. Option C is a timely execution of project. Option D is a produce based result under given constraints, and option E is a realistic execution time and minimum cost and maximum profits. So correct answer is B. It means an optimum project schedule implies lowest possible cost and shortest possible time for project. Question number 103. Graphical method, simplex method, and transportation method are concerned with option A, break-even analysis. Option B is a value analysis. Option C is a linear programming. Option D is a queuing theory, and option E is a material handling. So correct answer is C. It means graphical method, simplex method, and transportation methods are concerned with linear programming. Question number 104. In crash program for a project, option A, both direct and indirect cost increases. Option B, indirect costs increases and direct costs decreases. Option C is a direct cost is increases and indirect costs are decreases, and option D is a cost is a no criteria, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C. It means in the crash program for a project is direct costs are increases and indirect costs are decreases. Question number 105. If TO, TM and TP represent the optimistic, most probable and pessimistic time for a project, then by probability analysis most probable expected time TC will be option A, TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. Option B is a TO plus TM plus TP divided by 6, and option C is a TO plus 2TM plus TP divided by 6, and option D is a 2TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6, and option E is a TO plus 6TM plus 4TP divided by 6. So correct answer is A. It means probability analysis most probable expected time TC will be TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. Question number 106. Which one of the following represents a group incentive plan? Option A is a scan loan plan. Option B is a loan plan. Option C is a BARC plan. Option D is a Taylor differential rate system, and option E is a Halsey premium plan. So the correct answer will be A. It means the program represent a group of incentive plan will be scan loan plan. Question number 107. In the Halsey 50-50 plan, the following are rewarded more. Option A, past good workers. Option B, past poor workers, and option C, past average workers, and option D, all of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. In the Halsey 50-50 plan, rewarded will be past poor workers. Question number 108. In the Halsey system of wage incentive plan, a worker is option A is paid as per efficiency. Option B, ensured of minimum wages. Option C, not paid any bonus till his efficiency reached at 66 by 2 by 3%, and option D is never a loss, and option E is induced to do more work. So correct answer will be B. In Halsey system of wages incentive plan, a worker is ensured of minimum wages. Question number 109. Value for value engineering and analysis purposes is defined as option A is a purchase value. Option B is a sellable value. Option C is a depreciated value. Option D is a present worth, and option E is a function oblique cost. So correct answer is E. Value term for a value engineering and analysis purposes is defined as will be function or will be cost. Function or will be cost. Question number 110. Break-even analysis can be used for option A, short run analysis, option B is long run analysis, option C is average of about 2 run analysis, and option D is there is no such criteria, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It means break-even analysis can be used for short run analysis. Question number 111. CPM has a following time estimate. Option A, 1 time estimate, option B, 2 time estimates, option C is a 3 time estimate, option D is a 4 time estimate, and option E is a nil time estimate. Correct answer is A. CPM has the following, it means 1 time estimate. Question number 112. PERT has a following time estimate. Option A is a 1 time estimate, option B is a 2 time estimate, and option C is a 3 time estimate, option D is a 4 time estimate, and option E is a nil time estimate. So correct answer will be C. It means PERT as a 3 time estimate. Question number 113. In Lincoln plan, one type of group incentive plan, the amount of the profit which an employee receives in addition to the guaranteed basic pay or wages is based on option A, a standard rating system, option B, a merit rating system, option C, a job evaluation system, option D is individual performance, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is B, a merit rating system. It means in Lincoln plan, one type of the group incentive plan, the amount of the profit which an employee receives in addition to the guaranteed basic pay or wages will be based on a merit rating system. Question number 114. Which of the following incentive plans ensure a part of the swing to the worker and rest to the employer? Option A is an immersion efficiency plan, option B is a Taylor plan, option C is a Halsey premium plan, and option D is a place rate system, and option E is a Gilbert plan. Correct answer will be C. Halsey premium plan incentive plan ensure a part of the swing to the worker and rest to the employer. Okay. Question number 115. Which of the following is not a wage incentive plan? Option A is a differential piece rate system, option B is a Rubin plan, option C is a immersion plan, option D is a Taylor plan, option E is a Halsey plan. So correct answer is a D. Taylor plan, the following is not wage incentive plan. Okay. Question number 116. According to Halsey 50-50 plan, if H is a hour rate and A is a actual time and S is a standard time, then wages will be option A HA, option B HA plus in the small bracket S minus A multiply H. Option C is HA plus in the small bracket S minus A multiply H divided by 2. Option D HA divided by 2 plus in the small bracket S minus A multiply H, and option E is HA plus in the small bracket S minus A multiply HA divided by S. So correct answer will be C. It will be HA plus in the small bracket S minus A multiply H divided by 2. Question number 117. Which of the following plans motivates supervisors by paying a premium on time saved by workers? Option A is a Halsey plan, option B is a Rubin plan, option C is a Hines plan, option D is a immersion plan, option E is a Taylor's plan. Correct answer is a C. It will be Hines plan. Question number 118. The time required to complete a task is established and a bonus is paid to the worker for every hour he saves from the established time required. This type of incentive plan is known as option A is a Rubin plan, option B is a Beddock's plan, option C is a Taylor differential piece rate system, and option D is a Halsey premium plan, and option is a day-work plan. So correct answer is D. It means the time required to complete a task is established and bonus is paid to the worker for every hour he saves from the established time required. This type of incentive plan is known as the Halsey premium plan. Question number 119. One of the basic essential of an incentive plan is that option A is a differential piece rate system should exist. Option B is a minimum wages should be guaranteed. Option C is a provided incentive to group efficiency performance, and option D is all standards should be based on optimum standards of production, and option E is all standards should be based on time studies. So correct answer is E. It means one of the basic essential of an incentive plan is that the all standards should be based on time studies. Question number 120. In the immersion efficiency plan, a worker receives only his daily wages and no bonus is paid till his efficiency reaches option A is 50%, option B is 66 2 by 3%, and option C is 75%, option D is 80%, option E is 90%. So correct answer will be B. It will be 66 2 by 3%. Question number 121. According to Rowan plan, if H is the hourly rate, A is the actual time, and S is the standard time, then wages will be option A is HA, option B is HA plus S minus A and multiply HA divided by S, and option C is HA plus S minus A multiply H divided by 2, and option D HA plus the small bracket S minus A multiply H and divided by S, and option E is HA plus S minus A multiply HA divided by 2S. So correct answer is B. According to Rowan plan, if the H is the hourly rate, A is the actual time, and S is the standard time, then wages will be HA plus S minus A multiply HA divided by S. Question number 122. If a worker gets a daily wages of HA, then according to Rowan plan, his maximum daily earning can be option A 2HA plus 1.33 HA, option C 1.5 HA, option D 1.75 HA, option E is a 2.5 HA. Correct answer is A. If a worker gets a daily wages HA, then according to Rowan plan, his maximum daily earning can be 2 HA. Okay. Question number 123. In ABC control policy, maximum attention is given to option A, those items which consume money, option B, those items which are not readily available, option C is those items which are in more demand, option D, those items which consume more money, option E, proper quality assurance programs. So correct answer is D. In ABC control policy, maximum attention is given to those items which consume more money. Question number 124. Which one of the following represents a group incentive plan? Option A is a LC premium plan, option B is a Maddox plan, option C is a Lincoln plan, option D is a Rowan plan, option E is a Teller plan. So correct answer will be C. It will be so Lincoln plan, the following represent a group incentive plan. Question number 125. The mathematical technique for finding the best use of limited resources in an optimum manner is known as option A is a operation research, option B is a linear programming, option C is a network analysis, option D is a queuing theory, option E is a break-even analysis. Correct answer is a B. The mathematical technique for finding the best use of limited sources is an optimum manner is known as linear programming. Question number 126. In order that linear programming techniques provide valid results, option A is a relations between factors must be linear, public in the small bracket is a positive, option B relations between factor must be linear in the small bracket negative, option C A or B, and option D is only one factor should change at a time, other remaining constant, and option is none of the above. So the answer is a C. It means in order that linear programming techniques provide valid results when relations between factors must be linear positive or relation between factors must be linear negative. Okay. Question number 127. The linear programming techniques can be applied successfully to industries like option A iron and steel, option B food processing, option C oil and chemical, option D is a banking, option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E. It will be all of the above. It means linear programming techniques can be applied successfully iron and steel, food processing, oil and chemical, banking, and these all of these. Question number 128. The simplex method is the basic method for option A is a value analysis, option B is a operation research, option C is a linear programming, option D is a model analysis, option E is a none of the above. Correct answer is a C. Simplex method is the basic method for linear programming. Question number 129. The two-bin system is concerned with option A is a ordering procedure, option B is a forecasting sales, option C is a production planning, Option D is dispatching and expediting, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Two-bin system is concerned with ordering produce. Question number 130. The time required to complete a job is established, and a bonus is paid to the worker based on the exact percentage time saved. This type of incentive plan is known as option A is a dry work plan, option B is a RC premium plan, option C is a teller plan, option D is a Beddock's plan, and option E is a Rowan plan. Correct answer is E. It's a Rowan plan. It means the time required to complete a job is established and a bonus is paid to the worker based on the exact percentage of time saved. This type of incentive plan is known as Rowan plan. Question number 131. Replacement studies are made on the following basis. Option A is a annual cost method, option B is a rate of return method, option C is a total life average method, option D is a present worth method, and option E is any one of the above. So correct answer is E. It means replacement studies are made on the any one of the above. It means annual cost method, and it's maybe rate of return method, it's maybe total life average method, or maybe present worth method. Question number 132 is a string diagram is used in option A for checking the relative values of the various layouts, option B when a group of workers are working at a place, option C where processes require the operator to be moved from one place to another, option D all of the above, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is D. It will be all of the above. It means string diagram can be used for checking the relative values of the various layouts. It may be used when a group of the workers are working at a place, and may be used where the processes require the operator to be moved from one place to another. Okay. Question number 133. Which of the following depreciation system ensures that the interest be charged on the cost of machine assets every year on the book value, but the rate of depreciation every year remains constant? So option A is a sinking fund method, option B is a straight line method, option C is a ABC charging method, option D is a NUT charging method, and option E is a dimensioning balance method. Correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. NUT charging method is a one which is a depreciation system ensure that the interest be charged on the cost of machine assets every year on the book value, but the rate of depreciation every year remain constant. Okay, so it means NUT charging method it's called. Question number 134. Bin card is used in option A administrative wing, option B workshop, option C is a foundry shop, option D is a stores, and option E is assembly shop. Correct answer is D. Bin card is used in stores. Question number 135 is a slack represents the difference between the option A is a latest allowable time and the normal expected time, option B is a latest allowable time and the earliest expected time, option C is a proposed allowable time and the earliest expected time, option D is a normal allowable time and the least expected time, option E is a project initiation time and a actual starting time. So correct answer is B. It means the slack represents the difference between the latest allowable time and the earliest expected time. Question number 136. BERT and CMP are option A techniques to determine project status, option B decision making techniques, option C chart which increases aesthetic appearance of rooms, option D aids to determine cost implications of project, and option E aids to the decision maker. Correct answer is E. BERT and CPM are the aids to the decision maker. Question number 137. A big advantage of BERT over Gantt chart is that in the former case, option A activities and events are clearly shown, option B early start and late finish of an activity are clearly marked, option C activity times are clear, option D critical path can be easily determined, option E interrelationship among activities is clearly shown. So the correct answer will be E. It means the biggest advantage of BERT over a Gantt chart is that in the former case is a interrelationship among activity is clearly shown or visible. Okay. Question number 138. CPM is the option A. Time oriented technique option B. Event oriented technique option C. Activity oriented technique option D is target oriented technique option E. Work oriented technique. So correct answer is a C. CPM is the activity oriented technique. Question number 139. PMTP. It means predetermined motion time system. Include option A. MTM is a full form method time measurement. Option B. WFS means work factor system. Option C. BNTS basic motion time study. Option D all of the above. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. PMTP means predetermined motion time system included all. It means MTM means method time measurement, work factor system, basic motion time study. Okay. Question number 140. Work study comprises following main techniques. Option A. Method study and work measurement. Option B is a method study and time study. Option C is a time study and work measurement. And option D is a method study and job evaluation. And option is a value analysis and work measurement. So correct answer is A. It means work study implies is method study and work measurement. Question number 141. Which of the following equations is not in conformity with others? Option A. Organization performance multiply is a motivation is equal to profit. Option B is knowledge into skill is equal to ability. And option C is ability into motivation is equal to performance. Option D is attitude multiply situation is equal to motivation. And option E is performance into resources equal to organization performance. So correct answer is A. It means organization performance multiply motivation is equal to profits. This one equation is not in conformity with others. Okay. Question number 142. PERT is the option A. Time oriented techniques. Option B is event oriented techniques. Option C is activity oriented technique. Option D is a target oriented technique. Option E is a work oriented technique. So correct answer is B. PERT is the event oriented technique. Question number 143. The basic difference between PERT and CPM is that option A. PERT deals with event and CPM with activities. Option B. Critical path is determined in PERT only. Option C. Costs are oriented on CPM only and not in PERT. Option D is a gauged time are used in PERT and evaluated time in CPM. Option E is a PERT is used in workshop and CPM in the plants. So correct answer is D. It means the basic difference between PERT and CPM is that the gauged time are used in PERT and evaluated times in CPM. Question number 144. PERT stands for option A. Project evaluation and review technique. Option B. Project examination and review technique. Option C. Project evaluation and reporting technique. Option D. Process execution and reporting technology. Option E. Project execution and result technique. Correct answer is A. PERT stands for project evaluation and review technique. Question number 145. Queuing theory is used for option A is inventory problems. Option B is the traffic congestion studies. And option C is job shop scheduling. And option D is all of the above. And option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It means queuing theory is used for inventory problems. Option B also means traffic congestion studies and also used in the job shop scheduling. Question number 146. In queuing theory, the nature of the waiting situation can be studied and analyzed mathematically if option A. Complete details of item in waiting line are known. Option B. Arrival and waiting times are known and can be grouped to form a waiting line model. Option C is all variable and constants are known and from a line equation. Option D. The laws governing arrivals, services, times and the order in which the arriving units are taken into source are known. And option E is all of the above. So correct answer is D. It means in queuing theory, the nature of the waiting situation can be studied and analyzed mathematically if the laws governing arrivals, service times, and the order in which the arriving units are taken into sources are known. Question number 147. Queuing theory is associated with option is a sales, option B is a inspection time, option C is a waiting time, option D is a production time, option E is inventory. Correct answer is C. Queuing theory is associated with waiting time. Question number 148. The reasons which are basically responsible for the formation of a queuing should be that option A, the average service rate is less than the average arrival rate, option B, output rate is linearly proportional to input, and option C is output rate is a constant and the input varies in a random manner. Option D is all of the above and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. The reason which are basically responsible for the formation of queuing should be that all of the above. It means the average service rate is less than the average arrival rate, output rate is linearly proportional to input, and output rate is a constant and the input varies in a random manner. Question number 149. Monte Carlo solutions in queuing theory are extremely useful in queuing problems. Option A, that can't be analyzed mathematically, option B, involving multi-stages queuing, and option C, to verify mathematical results, and option D is all of the above and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is A. Monte Carlo solution in queuing theory are extremely useful in queuing problems because that can't be analyzed mathematically. Question number 150. In perpetual inventory control, the material is checked as it reaches its option A minimum value, option B is maximum value, option C is average value, option D is middle value, option E is a alarming value. Correct answer is A. In perpetual inventory control, the material is checked as it reaches at minimum value. Question number 151. A milestone chart, option A, shows the interdependence of various jobs, option B depicts the delay of jobs if any, option C is a points out going ahead of scheduling of jobs if any, and option D is all of the above and option E is none of the above. A milestone chart is none of the above. Correct answer. Okay. Question number 152. Bar charts are suitable for option A is a minor works, option B is a major works, option C is a large projects, and option D is all of the above and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Bar charts are suitable for minor works. Question number 153. The first method invented for planning projects was option A, bar chart method, option B, milestone chart, option C is a critical path method is a CPM, option D is a program evaluation and review techniques PERT, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. The first method invented for planning projects was bar chart method. Question number 154. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, program evaluation and review technique is a event oriented. Option B, program evaluation and review technique is not event oriented. Option C is a critical path method is a event oriented. Option D is a critical path method is not activity oriented, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is E. It's none of the above. It means that is the correct statement from the following is none of the above. Question number 155. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, critical path method is an improvement upon bar chart method. Option B is critical path method provides an realistic approach to the delay problems. Option C is critical path method avoids delay which are very common in bar charts, and option D is critical path method was invented by Morgan R. Wackler of the DuPont and the James E. Kelly of the Remington, USA in 1957, and option answer is E. It means pick up the correct statement. So there is all of the above. Question number 156. Pick up the correct step used for scheduling a project by CPM. Option A, project is divided into various activities. Option B is a required time for each activity is established, and option C is a sequence of various activities is made according to their importance, and option D is a network is drawn by connecting the activities and the events, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E, it's all of the above. So because pick up the correct step. Use the scheduling of the project by the CPM. Is a project is divided into various activities. Required time for each activity is the established, and sequence of the various activities is made according to their importance, and network is drawn by the connecting the activities and the events. Question number 157. The time of completing a project in the network analysis is given by following time of the critical activities meeting at the final node. Option A, early finish. Option B is early start. Option C is a last start. Option D is a late option C is a late start, and option D is a late finish, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It's an early finish. It means the time of completing a project in a network analysis is given by following time of the critical activity meeting at the final node of early finish. Question number 158. The disadvantage of product layout is option A is a high initial investment for the specialization facilities, and option B is skilled labor to operate machines, and option C is a production time is longer and requiring more goods in inventory, and option D is a high cost of inspection, and option E is a costly and complex production control. So correct answer is A. Disadvantage of the product layout is the high initial investment for the specialized facilities. Question number 159. Emergency rush order can be pushed more effectively in option A is a job production, option B is automatic production, option C is a continuous production, option D is a intermittent production, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. Emergency rush order can be pushed more effectively in intermittent production. Question number 160. Routing assist engineers in deciding in advance. Option A, the flow of material in the plant. Option B, the method of proper utilization of manpower. Option C, the method of proper utilization of machines, and option D, the layout of factory facilities, and option E is a normal route of workers through the plant. Correct answer is C. Routing assist engineers in deciding in advance the method of proper utilization of machines. Question number 161. The performance of specific task in CPM is known as. Option A is a dummy, option B is event, option C is activity, option D is a contract, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. Performance of specific task in CPM is known as activity. Question number 162. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Option A, an activity of the project is denoted by an arrow on the network, and option B, a tail of the arrow indicates the start of activities. Option C is the head of the arrow indicates the end of the activity, and option D is the arrow are drawn to scale from left to right, and option E is each activity consumes a given time. So correct answer is D. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. So incorrect statement is the arrow are drawn to scale from left to right. Question number 163. The artificial activity which indicates that an activity following it cannot be started unless the preceding activity is complete is known as. Option A is event, option B is a free float, option C is a artificial, option D is a constraint, and option E is dummy. Correct answer is E. It's called dummy. It means the artificial activity which indicates that an activity following it cannot be started unless the preceding activity is complete is known as dummy. Question number 164. A dummy activity is option A is artificially introduced, option B is represented by a dotted line, option C is does not require any time, option D is all of the above, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is D. Dummy activity is artificially introduced, and option B also is the represented by a dotted line, and it does not require any time, all of the above. Okay. Question number 165. If capital D is the duration, ES and EF are the earliest start and finish time, early start and early finish time, LS and LF are the last start and the last finish time, then the following relation holds good. Option A, EF is equal to ES plus D, option B, LS is equal to LF minus D, option C, LF is equal to LS plus D, option D is D is equal to EF plus ES, and option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E. It's all of the above. Question number 166. The difference between the time available to do the job and the time required to do the job is known as. Option A is event, option B is a float, option C is duration, option D is a constant, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It's called fault. It means the difference between the time available to do the job and the time required to do the job is known as a float. Question number 167. The probability distribution of activity times in PERT follows the following distribution. Option A is normal, option B is binomial, and option C is a beta, option D is a exponential, and option E is a Gaussian. So correct answer is a C. The probability distribution of activity times in a PRT follow the following distribution. It's called beta. Question number 168. The probability distribution of project completion in PERT follows following distribution. Option A is normal, option B is binormal, option C is beta, option D is exponential, option E is a Gaussian. So correct answer is E. It's called Gaussian. The probability distribution of project completion in PERT follow the distribution is called Gaussian. Question number 169. If TL is the largest available event occurrence time, total activity slack S is equal to option A, last start time minus earliest start time, option B, last finish time minus earliest finish time, EFT, and option C is a TL minus EFT, and option D is all of the above, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is a D, all of the above. If TL is the largest allowable event occurrence time and total activity slack S is equal to, then all of the above is applied. Question number 170. The critical activity has option A maximum float, option B is a minimum float, option C is a zero float, option D is average float, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is a C. It's has a zero float. Question number 171. The time by which the activity completion time can be delayed without affecting the start of succeeding activities is known as option A is duration, option B is a total float, option C is a free float, option D is a interfering float, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. It's called a free float. It means the time by which the activity completion time can be delayed without affecting the start of succeeding activities is called a free float. Question number 172. The critical path of network represents option A, the minimum time required for completion of project, option B, the maximum time required for completion of project, option C, maximum cost required for completion of project, option D, minimum cost required for completion of project, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A, the critical path of network represents the minimum time required for completion of project. Question number 173. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, the float may be positive, 0 or negative. Option B, if the float is positive and the activity is delayed by a period equal to its total float, the completion of project in not delayed. Option C, if the float of an activity is negative, delay in its performance is bound to delay the completion of project. Option D, if the float of any activity is 0, the activity is critical and any delay in its performance will delay the whole project, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E. Pick up the correct statement from the following. So all of them are correct statement. Question number 174. Critical path moves along the activities having total float of option A positive value, option B is negative value, option C is a 0 value, option D is the same value, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C. Critical path moves along the activities having total float of 0 value. Question number 175. Critical path network help an engineer, option A, to concentrate his attention on critical activities, option B, to divert the resources from non-critical advanced activities to critical activities, and option C is to be conscious for the avoiding any delay in the critical activities to avoid delay of the whole project, and option D is all of the above. Option E is none of the above. So correct answer is D. It's all of the above. Question number 176. Pick up the correct statement about relationship between various floats. Option A, free float is equal to total float, and option B is a independent float is equal to total float. Option C is independent float is greater than the free float, and option D is a free float is greater than the total float. Option E is independent float is less than the free float. So correct answer is E. It means that statement or relationship between various floats is the correct one. This is the correct one. It means independent float is less than the free float. Question number 177. The time which results in the least possible direct cost of any activities is known as option is normal time, option B is a slow time, option C is a crash time, option D is a standard time, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B. It's called slow time. Question number 178. The technique for establishing and maintaining priorities among the various jobs of any project is known as option A, event flow scheduling techniques. Option B is critical ratio scheduling. Option C is a slotting techniques for scheduling. Option D is a short interval scheduling, and option is none of the above. So correct answer is B. The technique for establishing and maintaining priorities among the various jobs of any project is known as the critical ratio scheduling. Question number 179. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A critical ratio scheduling. Option A establishes the relative priorities among various activities on a common basis, and option B is a determines the status of each activity. Option C is adjusts the automatically changes in the activity progresses, and option D is a dynamic system. Option E is none of the above. So correct answer is E. It's none of the above. It means pick up the incorrect. So none of the above. All of them are. No one is the incorrect from all of the above. Question number 180. If A is the optimistic time, B is the pessimistic time, and M is the most likely time of an activity, then the expected time of activity is. Option A is A plus M plus B divided by 6. Option B is A plus 2M plus B divided by 6. Option C, A plus 4M plus B divided by 6. Option D is A plus 5M plus B divided by 6, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C. It means A plus 4M plus B is divided by 6 is the if A is the optimistic time, B is the pessimistic time, and M is the most likely time of an activity, then the expected time of the activity is A plus 4M plus B divided by 6. Question number 181. PERT is option A, an analytic tool in concept. Option B is a limit of event oriented diagrams. Option C is a use for research and development project. Option D is based on 3 time estimate for activities linking up 2 events, and option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E. It's all of the above. Question number 182. CPM is option A. It is the synthesizing in concepts, and option B is the ability of activities oriented programs, and option C is based on one time estimate. Option D is used for is a repetitive works, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E. It's all of the above. Question number 183. A CPM family includes. Option A, CPA means critical path analysis. Option B, CPP means critical path plotted. Option C is MCE means minimum cost expenditure, and option D is CPS is critical path scheduling, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E. It's all of the above. It means CPM families include these 4 means CPA, CPP, MCE, and CPS, all of them. Question number 184. PERT/CPM techniques can be used for following applications. Option A, once through the project. Option B, maintenance jobs. Option C is research and development. Option D is all non-technical jobs, and option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E. It's all of the above. Question number 185. PERT analysis is based on. Option A is a optimistic time. Option B is a pessimistic time. Option C is a most likely time. Option D is all of the above. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D is all of the above, means optimistic time, pessimistic time, and C is the most likely time also. Question number 186. Discrepancies of bar chart technique are. Option A is a consequential effects of lag in one activity on other. Option B is a consequential effect of lag in any activity on the finish date. Option C is a free time available for an activity can't be predicted, and option D is a effective monitoring controlling can't be done, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E. It means discrepancies of the bar chart techniques is all of these, all above. Question number 187. The artificial activity which indicates that an activity following it cannot be started unless the preceding activity is complete. Option is dummy. Option D is a free float. Option C is critical. Option D is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It's called dummy. Question number 188. The time by which the activity completion time can be delayed without affecting the start of succeeding activity is known as. Option is duration. Option B is a free float. Option C is a total float. Option D is an interfering float. Correct answer is B. It's called free float. Question number 189. Critical path moves along the activities having total float of. Option A is positive value. Option B is negative value. Option C is a 0 value. Option D is the same value. Correct answer is C. It's a zero value. It means critical path moves along the activities having total float of zero value. Question number 190. Pick up the correct statement. Dummy activity on a PERT CPM chart means it. Option A is a consume time but no resources. Option B, consume resources but no time. Option C, consume neither time nor resources. Option D is a dangling event. Option E is a consume both resources and time. Correct answer is C. Pick up the correct statement. So correct statement about the dummy activity of the PERT and CPM chart means the consume neither time nor resources. Question number 191. Critical path on PERT CPM chart is obtained by joining the events having option A maximum slack, option B is a minimum slack, option C is average slack, option D is a no slack, option E is judgment and experience. Correct answer is B. Critical path on PERT CPM chart is obtained by the joining the event having the minimum slack. Question number 192. Slack of the various events on the critical path in PERT and CPM chart. Option A is increases continuously, option B is decreases continuously, option C is remains constant, option D is may increase or decreases depending on various factors, and option E is unpredictable. So correct answer is a C. It remains constant. Okay. Question number 193. The assumption in PERT is option A is a project will always be behind schedule if left uncorrected. Option B is cost of project will always be more than the estimated cost if no timely corrections are taken. And option C is the project can be subdivided into a set of the predictable independent activities, and option D is activities are fixed and can't be changed. Option E is a commissioning time can be changed if activities are behind schedule. So correct answer is C. It means assumption in PERT is a project can be subdivided into a set of the predictable independent activities. Question number 194. Activity slack or float of any event on PERT CPM chart is represented by option A, latest start time of succeeding event minus earliest finish time of preceding event activity time. Option B, latest start time of the event minus earliest start time of the event. Option C is the latest finish time of event minus earliest finish time of the event. Option D is any one of the above, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is a D. Okay, it will be D. So it means this one, any one of the above. Activity slack of or the float of any event on a PERT CPM chart is represented by any these three of them. Question number 195. The important rule in making a PERT is option A, an event can't be accomplished until activities leading to it are completed. Option B, no activity from any event can be started from preceding event till it is completed. Option C is length of arrow has nothing to do with time. Option D is every activity must be completed before endpoint is reached, and option E is all of the above. Correct answer is E. It's all of the above. The important rule in making a PERT is an event can't be accomplished until activities leading to it are completed. No activity from any event can be started from preceding event till it is completed, and length of arrow has nothing to do with time, and every activity must be completed before endpoint is reached. These all of them. Question number 196. An event is indicated on the network by option A, a straight line, option B, a number enclosed in a circle or a square, option C is a straight line with circle at the ends, and option D is a dotted line, option A is an arrow. Correct answer is a B. An event is indicated on the network by a number enclosed in a circle or a square. Question number 197. In a PERT chart, option A, all activities should be numbered, option B, only important activities should be numbered, option C is only critical activities are numbered, option D is only selected activities are numbered, and option E is no activity is numbered. So correct answer is A. It's all activities should be numbered. Question number 198. Positive slack on a PERT indicates that project is option A is ahead of schedule, option B is beyond schedule, option C is as per schedule, option D is on a critical path, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Positive slack on a PERT indicate the project is ahead of schedule. Question number 199 is a pessimistic time is option A, the maximum time which an activity might require, option B, the average time required for a job, option C is the most probable time considering all conditions. And option D is the minimum time in which an activity can possibly be accomplished, and option E is the earliest finish. So correct answer is A, is a prismatic time is the maximum time which an activity might require. Question number 200. In PERT analysis, critical path is obtained by joining events having option A positive slack, option B is minus slack, option C is a zero slack, option D is dummy activities, option E is critical activities. So correct answer is C, it's a zero slack. Question number 201. The slack on various events at critical path will be option A is the same at the endpoint, option B decreasing proportional to that at the endpoint, option C increasing proportional to that at the endpoint, and option D is a maximum compared to other events, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is A, the slack on various events at critical path will be same as at the endpoint. Question number 202. A critical path on a PERT chart, option A is starts from start point and end at endpoint, option B start from start point and may end anywhere, option C is may start from anywhere but end at the endpoint, option D is may start and end any point, and option is none of the above. Correct answer is A, a critical path on a PERT chart starts from start point and end at the endpoint. Question number 203. Capital expenditure means option A expenses incurred in acquiring capital, option B is a main expenditure, option C is a requiring expenditure, option D is expenditure on procurement of fixed assets, and option E is expenditure on as a property. So correct answer is D, it's a means capital expenditure means expenditure on procurement of the fixed assets. Question number 204. Sinking fund factor for n years and R is equal to rate of the interest is equal to option A R divided by 1 plus R in the small bracket power n minus 1, option B 1 plus R power n minus 1 divided by R, option C is 1 plus R power n divided by R minus 1, option D R minus 1 divided by 1 plus R power n, and option E is R divided by 1 plus R power n. Correct answer is A, the sinking fund factor for n years and R's rate of interest is equal to R divided by 1 plus R power n minus 1. Question number 205. A rupee received 1 year hence is not the equivalent of a rupee received today because the use of money has a value. This is the principle under option A, is a payback method, option B average return on investment method, option C present value method, option D discounted cash flow method, option E is a cost accounting method. Correct answer is a C. It means a rupee received 1 year hence is not the equivalent of a rupee received today because the use of the money has a value. This is the principle under present value method. Question number 206. The equal payment series is a sinking fund factor for a given number of years and is used to calculated. Option A is equal payment to be made at the end of each year when compound amount after n years is given. Option B is a compound amount after n years when payments to be made each year are given. Option C is a present net worth when payments to be made each year are given. Option D is equal payments to be made at the end of the each year when present net worth is given. Option is present net worth when the compound amount after n years is given. So correct answer is A, it means the equal payment series sinking fund factor for a given number of years and is used to calculate equal payment to be made at the end of the each year when compound amount after n years is given.